Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section with the apps, which are here, App Management. Let's tap. Then let's tap on App List at the top and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so it is really safe. Simply tap on Reset Apps and this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.